Hi, I'm Annette Richmond. Thanks so much for joining me today. Creating more compelling videos doesn't have to mean more work or investing in expensive equipment. Today, I'm going to share 6 simple content tips to make your social media videos more effective in 2026 without a ton of extra time, stress, or gear. So let's dive in. Tip number 1, stop introducing yourself. Stop introducing yourself at the start of every video that, hi, I'm Annette Richmond and I blah, 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 is costing you views. First of all, nobody cares. Second, people on your social media account know who you are. And if they don't for some reason, they can easily find out by looking at your bio. So instead of starting with your name and title, jump right in with something that actually helps them. A quick tip, a mistake to avoid, or if you prefer, tell them what you're going to tell them. Like today, I'm sharing how to do a simple cut on motion transition. If you want, you can easily mention your name and business later on towards the end of your video. Always begin with value, not your promo. Tip number 2, save time with templates. If you need quick, easy content because you don't have any time or you're not camera ready, or maybe you're just not in the mood, use video templates. You can find fun, easy to modify templates on CapCut, which is my favorite resource, Canva, or even on Instagram. With CapCut, you simply choose one, add your video clips or clip, or even some photos, change the text if you want, and you're done. Using video templates is a great time-saving strategy. Tip number 3, use day of the week content themes. If you know what day it is, you've got a content ideas. If you're struggling with what do I post, try day of the week content themes. For example, Motivation Monday, Tips Tuesday, Wisdom Wednesday, the ever popular Throwback Thursday, Fun Friday. You can give a Saturday shout out or do a Sunday selfie if you're one of those people who wants an excuse to post a selfie. These are just a handful of ideas. You don't need to use any of them. You can find dozens more online by searching day of the week content themes. Day of the week content themes can help you easily build out a virtually plug and play content calendar. Tip number 4, record B-roll footage intentionally. If you're not aware, B-roll is background footage like you walking your dog or maybe you reading while having your morning coffee. It might be you working at your desk. I record a lot of B-roll footage while driving my car because it saves a lot of time. But if you decide to do that, make sure to get a phone mount that's made specifically for your car so you can keep both hands on the wheel. Then turn your B-roll footage into social media videos by adding a text overlay and some music, or maybe a voiceover or a trending sound. Or you can take that footage and pop it into a favorite video template. By the way, you can use those over and over again as well. Tip number 5, tell ChatGPT exactly what you want. If you want better results from ChatGPT or any prompt-driven AI, you don't need fancy prompt engineering. Just be clear about the results that you want. For example, if you want ChatGPT to generate some content ideas, try this prompt. I am a, and insert your title and what you do, focusing on, include your specialty. I need content ideas for the platform, could be LinkedIn, Instagram, or a blog that targets and describe your audience. Please provide a list of content topics that would engage that audience and include potential titles, a brief description, and the best format. For example, a video, a text post, etc. And give me the results in a matrix format. Tip number 6, which is super easy, is try loop videos for engagement. A loop video is one that begins at the end, which often makes viewers watch it more than once, trying to kind of figure out what's going on, especially if the video is short enough to autoplay. And it's so simple to create. Record your video as you normally would. Then, in an editing app like CapCut, cut the last phrase or sentence from the end and move that clip to the beginning. Watching it feels like dropping into the middle of a conversation. The viewer's brain wants to catch up, so they keep watching, which makes loop videos an easy way to help boost your retention and watch time. Now, for a quick recap, let's go over the 6 content tips. Number 1, stop introducing yourself at the start of every video. Lead with value. Number 2, use templates in Canva, CapCut, or Instagram for fast, easy content. Number 3, use day of the week content themes for virtually plug and play content. Number 4, record B-roll footage intentionally and use that to build a content library. Number 5, tell ChatGPT and other prompt-driven AIs exactly what you want. And number 6, create loop videos to increase engagement. You don't need to do all of these at once. Pick 1 or 2. Maybe this week it's time to just stop introducing yourself. Next week, do some experiments with B-roll footage and video templates. Small tweaks can mean big video upgrades. So thanks again for joining me today for this episode. If you found value, please forward this episode to a friend. I bet they'll thank you. And I'll see you next time.